Hello everybody, welcome to Michaeltechroom. Today we'll be talking about a Manfrotto tripod. We'll be talking about what you get in the box when you buy this. So, after the intro we can talk about this a little more. So I've bought this Manfrotto tripod with my own lawn money, so I kinda invest a little bit of money into my into my YouTube channel. So this is a Manfrotto 290 Xtra. The leg is. Then this fluid tripod, that's a separate unit, but you can buy these. You can buy this tripod with this fluid head pre-installed already, or you can buy it as a combo unit. So you can buy it on Amazon or B&H. So, but if you don't want the fluid head, if there's another fluid head you want, you can purchase the fluid head separately or the tripod leg separately. So you can do it. You can do it either direction. With this tripod right here together, the fluid head and that as a combo unit, you'd be looking at $199. Then whatever your tax is with the other state, depending if it's a 15 or 17% or whatever your tax percentage is through your state, it's for me. Actually, I got this tripod from B&H, so I didn't have to pay for any tax. So and plus the shipping was free from B&H. So, or I did qualify for the free shipping and the tax free too. So but you know, if you were purchasing it from Amazon, it could be easily in the $200 range, depending on how aggressive your state tax is. So, but let's talk about what you get in the box. So, when you unbox this tripod, you will get the instruction manual, or instruction manual. Then when you get the instruction manual, there's going to be two instructions for the fluid head and the tripod leg. Then you have another instruction of how to use your tripod in the proper way. So then you do have to put the handle on. So, but that's a pretty easy process. So the good thing is, if you bought this as a combo unit, the fluid head would be attached to the tripod leg right out from the factory. So so you don't have to worry about it. But if you bought it separately, you do have to attach the fluid head to whatever tripod, or if you bought a different tripod leg. Then you get a carrying bag with this tripod too. So and that's pretty much it out of the box, basically. So so just one screw to release the handle. You just have to turn one screw. Now there is an adjustment screw to adjust in the tension. So But that probably a screw you're not gonna mess with often. So, but the screw you will mess with often is if you're taking the handle, or if you're attaching or detaching your handle often. So, um, but so so that's one thing. So a little bit lost. So you can adjust the handle either way. So you can detach a handle and face in another direction too. So this handle is pretty flexible. So if I don't want it back, I can put it at the front if I want to. So you can adjust that. Now the head do have some screw adjustments, so you can adjust the tension. Or if you don't want the tripod move, you can lock it down. So if you don't want it move, so that's for your rotation. Then on the side too, you do have a screw to release the tension. Then another cool thing is I personally like this. The one cool thing is there was a locking there's a locking pin, so if you don't want this to get accidentally bumped, or if you don't want your camera to fall off, you just have to engage the locking pin and it will keep the level from being accidentally bumped. Then another cool thing too is when you release the tripod, no, when you release the plate, the level will stay in the open position. So you can release the level to release the quick plate, but once you remove the release plate, the level will stay in the open position. Unlike the cheaper tripod, when you have to put the camera back, you have to hold the level. With this Manfrotto, once you set the quick release plate into the head, it will automatically lock it in for you, so you don't have to pull the level again to put the quick release plate back on the tripod. So I really like that functionality. So you only have to pull the level once to release your quick release plate. So that's another cool feature. Now on to the 290 Xtra of this tripod. Now you do have hook on the side, and you do have a handle, or you have an option to add a handle to this tripod. So unlike other tripod, if you hang your camera back, you normally hang it from underneath, but this particular one, you hang it off the side of the tripod. So yeah, I don't know about that. So now you can raise your head up, so if the leg is not long enough, you can push this up, or let's say you need a particular height. So if you want to keep the tripod level, let's say you only have one leg section out, and if you need to have a final height, this is you can adjust this from here too. Now, another cool thing about this is if I push this, I can adjust it this way, or I can have the leg out this angle, or I can adjust it from this angle. So I can adjust these tripod leg if I want it further out or further in. Now you can lay this tripod completely flat too. You just have to, in all of these legs you can spread the leg out. But if you're gonna lay it flat, make sure this head, or make sure the telescopic head is up if you want to lay it flat. So you can lay it flat pretty easily with this tripod. So then the legs, they're using the normal. If you want to release these are the flip out level. So you just have to flip out one level to release it. So then you have adjustment screws too, for whatever reason, if it's not gripping the leg, or if it's not locking the section in completely. So pretty much anything. Now this tripod is definitely, if you are a little more serious into photography. Actually, this probably would do, being as a fluid head, you will mostly use it for your video work, or be mostly for you video filming. So you probably would use it mostly for your video, but you can use it to take a photo if you need to. So definitely not the cheapest one, but this one doesn't break the bank very too easily. You know, $199. It's a little bit steep. I wish it was like $170. I wish it was slightly low, but obviously it's the quality of the tripod you're paying for. So I'm pretty happy with the quality of this tripod, so I shouldn't have no issue with this tripod. So everything should be pretty good. It shouldn't break on me not too easily. So I can't think of anything right now. So but overall pretty good. So I don't have anything to say about this tripod. So if you want to give Manfrotto camera gears a try, feel free to give them a try. So if you type person never have, if you had never had a Manfrotto camera gear break on you, so but if you want to give them a try, feel free to give them a try if you want to. So but anyway, I will catch you people next time. So I will see you in the next video. But if you stumble across this video, feel free to check out the video gallery. So if you don't know how to work out this YouTube layout, in my video notes, there is a link that will take you directly to my video gallery. So that's a simple way. If you want to take the harder route, you can click on, or if you want to go in another direction, just click on my username. Every video I make will have my username, or everybody on YouTube do have a username. So if you click on the username on the bottom corner of my video, it will take you to my YouTube homepage. So in my YouTube homepage, if you want to check it out, you are welcome to check out. So but on my YouTube homepage, there is a video tab. So if you click on the video tab of my YouTube homepage, you'll be land on the video gallery, and you can check out the other videos I've posted in the past. So, but if the video caught your interest, so from vlogging to unboxing, from technology, or from project or random PC project, if those caught your interest, feel free of subscribing, or if you did subscribe, make sure you hit the bell icon so you can be up to date of the channel. And once you're up to date with the channel, once you hit the bell icon, you should be notified of any video being uploaded or live stream. Then you can follow me on Google Plus page. Then give the video a like or dislike. Then check out the video notes. When you check out the video notes, make sure you click on Show Me More. Once you click on Show Me More, the video notes should expand, so you should see channel email address, then Amazon wish list, and if you did support the Amazon wish list, you will get whatever shout out you like to have, or whatever for shout out you before. Then community detective forums. So if you want to sign up with one of those community detective forums, feel free to say hi to me. Then if you have any nice comment, or if you have any positive comment or encouraging comment, feel free to post them below the video, and I will catch you next time, because I'm gonna try to film more video on this tripod. Alright? Catch you on, alright?